A relief truck can carry at most 100 kilograms. Each food crate weighs 6 kilograms and reaches 15 families with food. Each water crate weighs 8 kilograms and reaches 16 other families with water. You must pack at least 4 food crates, and you must carry more water crates than food crates. Every family you reach counts. What is the greatest number of families you can help? Pause the video here. Before you compute anything, ask which crate counts are even allowed. Only a few food counts can fit under the weight cap. Find them first. Start by pruning. Which food counts are even legal? Try 7 food crates. More water than food means at least 8 water crates. That is 7 6s plus 8 8s. That comes to 106 kilograms. 106 is more than 100, so 7 food crates is illegal. So only 4, 5, or 6 food crates can fit. Now here is the tempting move. Water reaches more families per crate, 16 against 15. So you would grab the fewest food and pile on water. 4 food and 9 water reaches 204 families. But you must test every case, not guess. With 5 food, 8 water reaches 203. That is even worse. With 6 food, 8 water fills the truck exactly and reaches 218 families. That is the winner. More food, fewer water, but more families. Why? Food is lighter, so per kilogram it reaches more families. You cannot guess this. You must walk the edge and test. Here is the second problem. This time, you share packs between 2 shelter sizes. It is the same move. Read it, pause the video, and try it before I show the steps. Now watch the same move. You have 100 packs to give out. A small shelter needs 12 packs and helps 5 families. A large shelter needs 22 packs and helps 11 families. A shelter only counts if it gets all its packs. So try every number of large shelters, then fill small with whatever is left. 0 large leaves room for 8 small, helping 40 families. 1 large leaves 6 small, helping 41. 2 large leaves 4 small, helping 42. 3 large leaves 2 small, helping 43. 4 large leaves 1 small, and that helps 49 families. Again, the best answer is a corner. 4 large and 1 small uses every single pack and helps 49. 2 different problems, 1 single move. List only the few legal cases, then test each one to the edge and read the corner. The truck helped 218 families. The packs helped 49. This is the test the boundary rule. If a max has several integer constraints at once, list only the few feasible cases, push each free variable to its limit, and the best value lands at a corner of the feasible region. Look for greatest helped with a capacity limit and integer items and comparison rules. That is a small set you can simply list. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.